I've been in the audio industry now for about 15 years. I'm an electrical engineer by degree, and prior to that, I was doing different kinds of technical sales. Pre-pandemic, it was all about being able to move classrooms, readjust them kind of on the fly. So you may have one configuration in the morning, another configuration in the afternoon. Now it's moving more, and this is also on the corporate side, now it's more a question of how do we use our spaces to address the new ways of work. So it's everything from, do we still do collaboration spaces? If we do collaboration spaces, how do those differ from the way they were a year ago? One of the bright spots for me for 2020, and this is really specific to Renkus-Heinz, is because the product is such a strong solution sell, meaning it does things that other speakers don't do. We tended to stay in projects because people needed this as a solution. So that was very encouraging. The thing for me that makes, as a rep, that makes a really good manufacturing partner is the ability to show new product on a regular basis. And the best thing over the last couple of years, in particular with Renkus-Heinz, is that they've expanded their line, both on the steerable side and the non-steerable side. It gives me the opportunity to get in front of people. The second thing is being customer focused, being able to do things like really robust design. The Renkus-Heinz folks tend to go in, get the problem resolved so that people can get set up in the way they need to do business.